How to share all liked songs on Spotify. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can share all liked songs on Spotify, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to share all the liked songs on Spotify, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Spotify app. Then you want to simply come to the Your Library section from the bottom. So let me just go ahead and relaunch the app again here. After you open Spotify login, just come to the Your Library section. Then over here you should be able to see a list of songs that you like. So let me just go ahead and then like a couple of songs from the playlist over here. I'm just going to like a whole song, or maybe just basically like a second song like this by tapping on it. I'll just select another, I'll just like, and I'll just like all of these songs. Now I come to Your Library, and here you'll find the liked songs playlist, because this liked songs playlist will be automatically created whenever you like some songs. And when you tap on it, and if you want to share this, it's actually quite simple. Now you can choose to add them to one of your playlists, right? Otherwise you can only share one of the songs individually. In the liked songs section, you'll not be able to share all liked songs at once, but what you can do is just tap the three dots option, tap on add to playlist. Make sure to basically add a custom playlist here where you'll only add your liked songs, and after you do that, you can basically go ahead and then select that playlist, and then instead just choose to share that playlist instead by tapping the share option here. This way you can share all the liked songs on Spotify. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.